guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I will be showing you how to bake the ultimate chocolate cookies. You can bake them chewy or crispy. Guys, M&Ms, let's get started. So here we go guys. Here I have some butter, baking M&Ms, brown sugar, eggs, flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt, vanilla, and cocoa. So now I will sieve cocoa, salt, and baking soda. Flour, set aside. So in a large bowl I will cream the sugar and butter. Now I will blend sugar and butter until creamy. Now that the sugar and butter is well blended, I will add eggs and vanilla, and mix to combine. Blend all the dry ingredients. So now I will add all these ingredients to the butter mixture. Slowly mix until combined. Now I will go ahead and fold in the M&Ms. Look how lovely this is, guys. All the colors, beautiful, guys. All the colors. Beautiful. So the oven is already preheated to 350. Lightly grease your trays. So now I will drop dough by round tablespoons and so lightly grease tray. So now I will add a few M&Ms on the outside, guys. M&Ms, M&Ms. I can already smell the bake, guys. Remember, guys, this is the baking M&Ms. So here we go, guys, straight to the oven. Bake 7 to 10 minutes for chewy and 10 to 12 minutes for crispy. Enjoy, guys. So here we go, guys, beautifully done. I did went ahead and baked the extra 5 minutes, and this is what it is, crispy, and these are chewy. So guys, which one do you prefer? Please let me know by leaving me a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Now I will move to the cooling rack.